How can I possibly work when I turn around and I look at this? What is going on? This belly must be pet. You like that blanket, Jolene? You're lucky you're so cute, because that's my pillow, ma'am. But I'll let you borrow it for now. So the heated blanket actually works, and I love it. I mean, the first time I laid under it, I fell asleep immediately, and it was great, and we took a nap together, right, Jolene? Yeah, one of my favorite activities. Hello, it is Friday once again, and we've got the heated blanket up there. Oh, Jolene, I thought was about to go on it, and there she goes. Her review is that she loves it. And today I got free lunch from work, which was nice. They always do something like this after, you know, a bunch of layoffs happen or whatever. They're like, hey, here's some free lunch to make you all feel better. And like, it made me feel a little better, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm not happy about it. We took Jolene outside again in that little grass area, this time without pasta, just to see like how she would be. And she went to the bathroom outside again. I'm so happy. She definitely was nervous and shaky. She did not have the confidence that she had when pasta was out there distracting her. So she was a little, you know, shaky, jumpy, but she still was able to go to the bathroom. And that is a huge win for us. If this is one of those times where it's like, we've been waiting for this day for so long, it's like we finally see progress. And it's really, really encouraging. So we're gonna keep doing that, taking her outside, letting her get used to the leash and, you know, not being afraid of everything outside. And then we'll start to go on walks with her, not in a fenced-in area, which is a big deal for us and for her. I don't know if any of you have ever rescued a dog or had a shelter dog, but if you have, you know that these little tiny little wins that are like normal dog things are so rewarding and they mean so much. So I am so happy right now. Oh, hi. Did I wake you up? Were you dreaming about me? I'm your dream come true. Oh my gosh. We have like 5 calendars to open. As you can see, this is a new tradition for us. Yeah. We're not used to thinking about doing the advent calendars. And then it happens like this. So
yeah, so speed run.
Speed run.
Speed run right now.
7. We're gonna have so many candies.
The little one. Oh,
Starburst again.
Bummer.
Boo. All right, okay, next.
8.
8.
8. Are we racing now?
Yes.
Is this a race?
It's a race.
Milky Way.
Dang it. Am I stuck? Okay, Milky Way.
9. Where are you at?
9.
Starburst again? Come on!
I think we've run out of candy varieties. I think it's going to be all the same candies now.
Yeah.
10.
Oh, bottom.
Snickers.
Oh, good guess. Good guess. Snickers indeed.
I've learned the rotation now. All right, last one. 11. I feel like it's going to be Starburst again. Oh, no, it's not.
Oh, Twix.
Oh, Twix.
You like the Twix.
Yeah, I like the Twix.
Boom.
I can't get mine out.
You got it? There it is. There it is.
Got it.
Okay.
Here is the haul.
From our advent calendar today.
All right, now slime. Now this is gonna be fun.
Oh my god. Yeah, so much slime.
So much slime.
So much slime.
All right, 7. Whoa, it's like shapes.
Yeah, they're like little trinkets.
Oh my gosh.
Or accessories or something.
It's a little, oh my god, it's so cute. It's a little whale, little seashell.
8. What's it? 8?
I think it's another glitter.
Glitter? Yeah, it's long.
Yup.
More glitter. Oh, are these going to be like Christmassy colors?
Kind of.
A little bit.
Green, gold, and silver. Another galaxy slime. Oh my god. The drippy boys.
The liquidy. Oh.
Wait, this one doesn't look... Oh, maybe it's just because it's stuck to the sides.
Yeah.
Yeah, it still feels pretty liquidy.
Still is liquidy.
Ooh, 11's a slime.
10.
Yeah. And I think 10 is a slime.
Yeah.
Are we about to get 2 more slimes?
You can open that one.
All right, I'm doing it. Ooh, you probably want to trade me. Fluffy slime.
Oh, a white fluffy slime.
Interesting.
Very interesting. We can make this one like Christmassy.
Oh. It's like the Jurassic Park.
All right, we got one more.
A white fluffy.
Want me to open it for you?
Yes.
I'm guessing another crystal.
Another crystal. What color?
Oh, it's like a peach color.
Oh. Interesting.
Yeah, the fluffy slime is the best. And it's got that smell.
Yeah, some comments are just saying like silly putty. It probably is just silly putty.
It might be, because I definitely had silly putty growing up. Which was basically just fluffy slime.
Yeah. Done. Now we can't forget anymore.
Yep.
But we will. Okay, now that I finally have so many different slimes and glitters and things, I'm going to mix them together. So enjoy this footage of me mixing slime. Oh. All right, I'm gonna put glitter in the fluffy slime now. This one is definitely not ideal for glitter.
Oh no.
The crystal slimes are where the glitter is at. Yeah, it's alright. Definitely more glitter transfer on this though. Well, I guess the galaxy slime's gonna get some glitter in it. That's okay. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna put the seashell on this one, see if it even like stays in there. Nope, it just slides right out. These are probably also prime for the crystal slime. Done.